and my colleagues. Actually, I came here to learn basics of hernia repair in laparoscopy. But after coming here, I was able to learn even many more things, and even more. I'm looking forward to join here also for the F.MAS course in the future, as I feel like there is lot of more things to learn from here, from the skilled faculty members who are available here. And the environment here is very comfortable, homely. The food is also good, and the staff members are also very good. And although I could not see a lot of hernia cases due to some festivals, but the basic anatomy and the basic requirement which is needed for starting laparoscopic hernia repair, I'm fully satisfied with all those things, and I think that I'll be able to do at least IPOM and TAPP lap hernia repairs after going from here. And I'm looking forward to come again, sir. Thank you so much for imparting this on me, sir. Thank you so much.